Hey guys, this is James and welcome to another Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a progress bar just like this one in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's begin. Here is in Premiere Pro. I have already made my project and imported my video file. Now I want to make a progress bar on the bottom section of my video clip. To make a progress bar, first I need to make a rectangle, and later on we are going to convert that rectangle to a progress bar. To make a rectangle, what is the process? I believe you all know that. You need to go to here, which is rectangle tool. Just select that and click and drag that on your program panel where you want to make the progress bar. So when you are making the rectangle, make sure that you are making a rectangle that matches exactly with the dimension of your final output, which is your progress bar. Now click selection tool. In the program panel, you can now see the rectangle anchor point is not staying in the beginning of my rectangle. I need to change the position of my anchor point in the beginning so that when I'm making the progress bar, it starts from a beginning point and ends on an end point, right? I don't want to make a progress bar that expand on the both sides. That is the reason I need to change this anchor point. To change the anchor point, you need to go to window and then enable effects control panel. Then you'll have an option just like that, and here in the shape one, just expand it, scroll down, you'll see an option called anchor point. Change the value of the anchor point first section to 0. Now press enter. Then you'll see the position of anchor point have been changed. Now I need to change the duration of my graphic layer so that it matches with my video. I need to select it, click and drag it in the beginning and then expand it till the end. If you see the rectangle is not staying in the middle of my video, I need to align it. To align it, you need to select the graphic, you need to go to window, then enable essential graphic panel, then select shape 1, then you can align it to the middle just by selecting horizontal center option. Here the fun part begins. Now we are going to animate this rectangle so that it acts like a progress bar. To animate it, I need to go to in the beginning of my progress bar section, then I need to go to essential graphics section, select shape 1, then you need to deselect this select scale lock option. Just deselect it. Now just enable animation, toggle animation for scale, just click on that. You need to change the horizontal scale value to 0 in the beginning point of your video, then go to end point of your video. Now you need to change the horizontal scale value to 100. Now press enter. If you just play it back now, hey guys, welcome to another Adobe Premiere. Yeah, you can see there is a progress bar going on top of my video. So that is the way that you can follow to make a progress bar in Adobe Premiere Pro very easily. You don't need to use After Effects. That is very easy, right? That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video and learned something new from this one, then you can give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, then you can subscribe to this channel to get more video just like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.